Mike, and this is our little mascot.
Caught again. And welcome back to Time with Bro and Sis. And if you don't know what this video is going to be about, that means you did not watch the last video. You should have
Watch.
You should watch. So what we're going to be talking about is a game called Brawl Stars. Here is the logo. This is how the Brawl Stars logo looks.
Yeah.
And it is, so what we're going to do is first we're going to tell how we think about it, how I'm going to tell. And like after that we're going to play with
And
some
show you how to
characters.
play, yeah.
Yeah, and play with some characters.
And I'll tell you in detail like how to play Brawl Stars and all those things.
Yeah, I'm going to say. So let's get on with the video. And before we go and play Brawl Stars, I want to tell you how I think about the game, and if you like this game, how I'm telling you, you can download it. It's free on the App Store and Google Play. So Brawl Stars is basically a fighting shooting game like that. Like it's kind of like a fighting game, and like you can team up with your friend, your family, anybody, and then you can like invite them actually if they have the game. And like you can get different characters to play, and then for them there's actually a thing called gadget that makes their power a little more better. So now in this kind of like update of Brawl Stars, you can create your own map. So you can invite your friends and have like a showdown. You can play with them if you want, just alone, maybe both of you, maybe only you. You can do like that. And like if you want to ask like how are you going to get the first character, you'll get it when you install the game. Her name is going to be Shelly. And when you go more, like when you played more, you'll get trophies. And then when you get trophies, it'll be like a trophy road. And then mega boxes and all will get open, and then you'll get, in mega boxes there's a really high chance you get like a character, any kind of character. And there's actually legendary, epic, mythic, rare, ultra rare, and like chromatic. And so you can get any brawlers. Legendary is really hard to get. Legendary you need like Brawl Pass sometimes. Brawl Pass is like a thing which you have to get when you have a lot of gems, tokens and all. And tokens will do when you finish your like some tasks or something like that. There'll be daily missions. So now you all know about Brawl Stars, so let's start playing. Now we're going to be playing Brawl Stars, and this is a character called Surge, but we're not going to play now with Surge because Surge is a chromatic brawler and it's really hard to get him. So now let's play with Shelly. Okay. So how you going to go to brawlers is, there's a button there, brawlers, and there's all the characters.
Yeah.
These are how much characters Vinayak got.
I mean Legend 2.0 got.
Legend 2.0, and his name in the game is Legend 2.0. So first let's play with the basic brawler, which is Shelly. This is Shelly. There's different skin of her, but yeah.
Due to some gems, I couldn't buy it.
Yeah. So let's play in Gem Crab. So over there's thing, you need to press it and go to Gem Crab. So then if you want to start playing, just press play. And now they're searching people for like playing with him. So when it's six, now there's 4 people, so 2 more people we need. So then we can play. So we're going to in this video we're going to show you Gem Crab and Duo Showdown and Solo Showdown. So this is our teammate. It's Shelly. This is Brooke and Colt. This is Colt's different skin. So you basically in Gem Crab, what you need to do, you have to get 10 gems over here. So they have 2 gems, so we have to get 10 gems, and then we have to have 10 gems for 15 seconds.
Yep.
So you can see with all the characters have a different kind of shooting. You need to kill other people, so they'll drop gems which you can get.
Yeah.
So if you kill the person which has 3 gems, then you can get the gems for your team.
Shelly is a really good brawler, but I don't use it that much because if we push every brawler 550 above, we lose trophies after the season ends.
Yeah.
And season ends after every 13 days.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't use it that much. So in this,
Yeah.
I played power play so that I don't lose trophies or gain trophies.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a random play.
Yeah, and Brawl Stars is a really fun game. You can get better at it every day.
Yeah. I usually play duo showdown and solo showdown
Which
because we can camp and score
Yeah,
goal.
and
Yeah.
we're going to show you all of that after this match of gem crab. And what do you think are these bushes? These bushes are for camping. Camping means that if you're really low health, you can go there. Oh no, red team has countdown. That means they have 13 gems. So you have to kill them, whoever has the most gems.
Yeah, but it's tough.
It's really tough.
That's why I don't play it. It's okay.
See, now
they
they have 11 gems. Ooh. No, match over. They won. See, defeat. But if you're really good at it and your team is really good, you'll win.
Yep.
See, you get these points. Sometimes they have different seasons. So yeah, see, and we're going to show you the new character which is coming up. It's Lou.
Yeah, so I'm going to see Lou. So this is Lou. This
He's
is a chromatic
really cute.
brawler. Yeah. And if you read this, you will understand how cool
Yeah.
he is.
Lou is a cool guy. Literally, he can duel out all kinds of chill stuff. But watch your step on the ice. Be careful
Not to get brain
him.
freeze.
Yep.
He's a very cute brawler.
Yeah, and then we're going to show you Amber, which is a new brawler.
This is the legendary brawler.
Yeah, she's legendary. She's really nice. She's really good, edited, and nice character. And if you guys see who these kind of
This is
Crow.
Genie. Yeah, this is
Jean.
Genie, Mr. P, Spike, Crow, Leon, Sandy, and Amber, Lou.
We're gonna show you all the brawlers now.
Yeah.
Also the
this
ones which we got.
Yeah, so this is Gale.
Wait, so we're gonna start from the starting of all of this.
Okay.
So
So this is Mortis. Wait, Mortis, Shelly, Colt, 8-bit, Ems, Barley,
and
Penny.
wait 1 minute. If you're asking what is this upgrade thingy, it's just that if you get a lot of power points for one person, you can upgrade them and make them better.
But due to enough coins, I don't
Yeah,
have
you
that
need to
much
get a lot
coins.
of coins to do that.
Yeah, and this is Rico, Carl, Bo, Piper, BB, Nani, Poco, Pam, Brooke, Jackie, Max, Sprout, Dynamite, Tick, Daryl, Tara, Colette, Nita, El Primo, Rosa, Bull, Gale, Bia, and Surge.
Yeah, and so if you want to know what the Brawl Pass is, you have to go here.
And
Yeah.
and
This is the Brawl Pass, and this is he activated it.
yeah.
So Brawl Pass is basically you can get the extra stuff which is above.
Yeah.
So he got all of these.
Now if I reach tier 30, now I'm in 18. If I reach tier 30, I'll get Luo. I'm waiting for it.
Yeah, and that's why you active the Brawl Pass so then you can get those stuff. Brawl Pass needs a lot of gems.
It needs 170 gems.
It needs 170 gems, which is really hard to get. And these are the quests which you can do daily to
Yeah.
get some tokens.
Yeah, and you can reach to tier 30 to get Luo.
Yeah, and if you wonder what the tokens are for, it's for here. Tokens is for rewards. If you get more tokens, you can go move like this.
Yeah.
And if he does this girly,
Yeah.
he'll go to tier 30,
Yeah.
which is
Luo.
Luo. Yeah. So basically, here what you're thinking this is, if you press it,
This is Surge logo because I love Surge.
And-
This is my name, and if you get Broad Pass, you will have different kind of name color like pink.
yeah, these are like
yeah.
different shades. And if you're wondering what this is how his
This is my highest trophy. This is my highest.
this is
power
like his
play.
kind of character biograph. If you can change this to whatever things that you have. These are all the characters which he has.
Yeah.
These are the character which he does not have, which he's going to get. Max is before was actually a different one.
But now also now
Yeah.
it changed.
Yeah, you can change into any of these like that. But because
like
Vinayak
Surge.
really likes Surge,
So
he
I'm
put
changing
Surge. Surge.
Surge.
Yeah, and you can. This is the name color thingy if you get the Brawl Pass.
Yeah, and you can also change your name if you have 60 gems.
Yeah. First, when you join the game, you will get like a normal name.
Yeah.
If you use the Brawl Pass, you'll like if you can see right here, there's a different shade. It's like it's really nice, but
It's
you can
very
only
shiny.
get this. Yeah, you can only do this if you get the Brawl Pass. So now we're going to do the
Solo showdown.
solo showdown. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. So now we're gonna play solo showdown. So we're just gonna choose a different brawler. So which brawler are you gonna choose, Vinayak?
I'm gonna use beer.
Ooh, beer. Okay, so we choose solo showdown, which like
solo
you can press
showdown.
that,
Yep.
and then you can go here and then solo. So now let's play. So for this kind of solo do, you need 10 people.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is you need to be the last person alive.
Yeah. It's okay if you reach second or
So yeah. Ooh, look, there's another bee. Oof, defeated. Ooh, minus 6.
So this is how we lose trophies.
Yeah, if you don't do correctly. So, but we'll play one more round.
Yeah.
And if you want, you can use a different character. But Vinayak wants to do B. So, yeah.
To gain trophies, the best way is camping. So I'll show you how to camp.
Camp is like, that means you go in the bushes and nobody will see you.
Yeah. But legendary Leon is there. Shit. Shit. He's.
Oh, see, he killed Leon. If you did not remember what we told earlier, Leon is a legendary. And legendary is the hardest to
Brawler
get.
to get, yeah. So bull can kill.
Oh, that bull is actually a really strong bull.
Yeah. So I'm just camping away. That's it.
Camping means that if you're hiding in the bushes and other people actually won't be able to see you.
Yeah. So like this, see now it's only 8 people are left.
Yeah. And if you wonder what this is, that means one of your friends, which we told earlier, you can add them as friends. They're seeing how you're playing. And after this, we're going to show you duo showdown, and in our next video, we are going to show the other maps. And if you don't know that, in Pacific time, specific maps show up. And then in the next video, we're also going to show how to create your own map. Oof, you died from El Primo. So you press exit.
So -2.
-2 only. But see, you get tokens.
See 6 tokens here.
So then you have to get them all the way. Now he's only on 19. You have to go all the way until 20. 30.
Yeah.
Play so now duo showdown. So we change to duo. So which character are you going to choose, Vinayak?
Let me check the best character that I can choose. Not Tech. Not even Call It. Not Bull. Not Rosa.
And if you wonder who Call It is also another brawler. He is also kind of new, but not that new.
Yeah. She was released last year. Last season.
Last season, yeah.
So now also I'm going to use
Surge. Surge is a chromatic brawler. Chromatics are also really hard to get. That's why he's playing with them.
Okay. So I'm going to play now.
Play. So 10 people found. Let's play.
Let's play.
Ooh, who's our teammate?
Poco. Yeah, Poco's good. It gives us health.
Yeah, and if you wanted what Surge's power is, it is to jump and do a lot of damage. Poco's power is to, if he shoots on us when he has his power, then he can give us health. If our health is very low, he can give us health if he uses his power on us.
But I'm still camping because I'm a camping fan.
Yeah, and if he uses his power on other people, they will lose health.
Yeah.
So let's camp and sit in one place.
Yeah, now it's only 4 teams left.
Now 4 teams left. There'll totally be 5 teams, and in one team there'll be 2 people. Yeah. So our teammate, that means he took 3 power points.
Yeah. Now our teammate is dead.
Our teammate died of dynamic. Oh, we can see a power point right there, but the team is right there. That's why.
Shit, dynamic is so strong if he has power points.
Yeah.
Okay, my
dynamic has a cannon which can release these fire crackers or something.
Yeah, crackers. Yeah, fire
and
crackers.
it can do a lot of damage.
Yeah, and if he has points power points, the strength.
And if you wonder who that died person was, it's actually Leon, but it's a different skin of him.
Okay, now I died.
Yeah, he died.
Now
that was Shark Leon.
Now Poco is
camping. And people won't try to look there because many of the bushes are gone and there's only that small little area.
Yeah, so you have to
See,
use
Dynamic
brains.
is looking in all the bushes.
And he has 12 power points.
Oh. So,
No, I'm also
when,
going
when it's camping, one
So our
bad
teammate
thing
died.
Is, yeah, and when you're camping on bad
Because
thing is
of
when your
that.
teammate comes back, it will show.
So I died.
But it's okay because there was 3 teams, so you'll get 0 trophies. It's because that if you don't have many trophies, you'll get like plus like 1 or 2. But he has this many trophies, which is a lot. He has like this thingy.
Yeah.
See, before when you start, you'll be way over
Here.
here. So
And
then-
I unlock Brawl Box, Nita,
Yeah.
then I unlock Colt, Bull, then Jesse, then Brooke, then in other boxes, Dynamite, Bo, Tick, then 5,000 trophies on Mega Box. And when we reach 6,000 trophies, we get 8-bit.
And one thing which we forgot to show you is that you can actually, if you go here, if you go here, it's a shop. And then if you don't know, other people also play Brawl Stars and then they have like a code. So if you press enter code, and a person who plays Brawl Stars is Lex. So if you type code Lex, so then you will be supporting him and his family, which is really nice. And then you'll get like a little price off or a little bit. So see, all of these are now a little more less.
Yeah.
So if you wonder what this claimed is written, it's your daily deals.
Yeah, so every 12 o'clock we get
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, and if you're wondering what like all of this is, like, oh, you can just buy this for free. No, this is money. We need actual
Full money, yeah.
Yeah.
So if we get 7.29 dirhams, we'll get 30 gems.
Yeah. So then, yeah, so these are the daily deals which shows you can change the skins, Star Shop. Star Shop means like the one which you can buy with your star tokens. These are different skins of different brawlers.
Yeah.
So like, yeah. So if you're wondering what this is your friends.
Yeah, and I have this many friends. I have 194 friends. Yeah.
Yeah. When you play with other people, people want to like know you and want to play with you. So over here, this ad, you can add these many people are online which are your friends. So then you can play with them. So if they invite you, if you invite them, they will like pop up on the screen.
Yeah. And if you don't want them to invite you, you can put do not disturb. So
You can
they cannot
press-
invite you.
You can press also reject if they ask you. See, this person has spikes. Spikes are really it's
Yeah,
a
it's a very
legendary, legendary brawler. So that's it for playing Brawl Stars, and we'll see you all later.
Yeah.
Bye.
That video.
Yeah, if you did, smash that like and subscribe button,
Yes.
and comment down below what are the games you want us
Play.
to download
Yeah.
and play. Yeah.
So for now, let's
Peace
peace out.